Hi, welcome to Math 76, Lesson 120. In this lesson, we're going to talk about classifying triangles. All three-sided polygons are triangles, but not all triangles are alike. We distinguish between different types of triangles based on the relative measures of the sides and on the measures of the angles. We're first going to talk about three different triangles based on the measures of their sides. On the whiteboard, we have an equilateral triangle. All three sides are equal in length. So in an equilateral triangle, all three sides will be the exact same measurement or length. Next, we have isosceles triangles. Isosceles triangles have at least two of the three sides that are equal in length. Now, these are not to scale, but as you see, we have one like this where these two sides are both a measure of 2, and this is a 3. In this triangle, we have two sides that are a measure of 3, and that is a measure of 1. Next, we have a scalene triangle. On a scalene triangle, all three sides are different. Now, we're going to consider triangles classified by their angles. In an earlier lesson, we learned the name of three different kinds of angles: acute, right, and obtuse. We'll use these words to describe triangles also. We have an acute triangle. All three angles, all three of these, are acute angles. Next, we have a right triangle. On a right triangle, one angle is a right angle. And finally, we have an obtuse triangle. One angle is an obtuse angle. Each angle of an equilateral triangle measures, so if we go back to our equilateral triangle, each angle measures 60 degrees. So an equilateral triangle is also an acute triangle. An isosceles triangle may be an acute triangle, a right triangle, or an obtuse triangle. So again, an isosceles triangle could be acute. It could also be a right triangle or an obtuse triangle. A scalene triangle can also be an acute, right, or obtuse triangle. Now, if you would like to do our practice problems, I will put the answers to the practice problems in Canvas under Module 120. And I'll see you next time.